Let's list the answer for this. You may do this in the form of a table also, or you may do it one by one. I'm just going to write down as a table here. So I've been given polynomial and I want to write down the coefficient of x square. The first part we have so identify your term with x square and then identify the coefficient. Next, again identify the term which contains x square. उसमें से x square के साथ जो attached हैं factors वो identify करो.
-1, -1.
Third part we have pi by 2 x square plus x. This is the term which contains x square.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Then the last one you have
0.
0. I'm going to rewrite this just so that it's clear. You can rewrite this as 0 times x square. The rest of the expression is same. I have added a term. Now you can identify what is the coefficient of x square. You can just remember it like this. If any term is missing, if any term containing that particular variable is missing, that means the coefficient for that will be 0. Question number 3. You want to write down examples. First one, a binomial with degree 35. आपको ऐसा polynomial लिखना है जिसमें 2 terms हो और उन दोनों terms में if we identify variable की जो highest power है, it should be 35. There are multiple answers possible for this question.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, let's do it one by one. Nandan?
10x power 35 plus x square plus 1.
You need a binomial, 2 terms.
Plus x square only.
Okay. One more student was saying, Dhairya, who was it?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhairya?
Ma'am, 2x raised to power 35 plus 1x.
Anyone else who want to give it a try?
10x raised to power 35 x cube plus x cube.
Now you don't have to write down all terms with x. You may just write down a constant also. आपको x की power 35 वाली term जरूर लिखनी है. ऐसी term जिसमें x की power 35 हो. This is a must. इसके साथ आपको कुछ और लिखना है. To make it 2 terms. Binomial बनाने के लिए 2 terms चाहिए. तो दूसरी term में x की power कुछ भी हो सकती है. Even it could be 0. In that case, you will have 1. This will be the simplest answer if you want to write down. x की power 35 ये होना जरूरी है. उसके साथ एक चीज और चाहिए. Simply 1 add कर दो, plus 1 कर दो. All of these answers are possible and more. इनके अलावा भी बहुत सारी possibilities हैं. The second example you want to write down is for a monomial of degree 100. अब आपको ऐसा polynomial लिखना है जिसमें सिर्फ एक टर्म हो. सिर्फ एक टर्म चाहिए और डिग्री 100 बननी चाहिए. So that term, the single term that we are going to write down, should contain the variable with power 100.
Y power 100.
Y power 100. You can attach a
X power 100.
Shabad, I think there is something wrong with the microphone. If you can just reconnect if you're attached to your headphones or something. I think disturbance है उसमें. See if there is some connection issue. Reconnect कर सकते हो अगर आप. Let's quickly write the answer. I'm going to just give one example here and you can write down any one of your choice. Question number 3, binomial of degree 35?
X plus 35 plus 2.
Yes, Dharya?
Ma'am, can we write for monomial of degree 100, 1 raised to power 100?
The power of the variable should be 100, not for the
Y.
number. Variable का
Y
होना
power
जरूरी
100.
है.
Okay, ma'am.
Any variable you
Ma'am,
could take x or y, you can take y to the power 100.
100.
That's it.
my voice is now correct.
Yes, yes. Can you repeat the example you were giving for the monomial of degree 100?
14x raised to power 100.
That's right. So you can give any example of your choice. Keep in mind के requirement क्या है, आपको कितनी terms चाहिए और variable की highest power क्या चाहिए accordingly. Anyone who has questions? और जरूरी नहीं है, as I have written here, variable आपको x लेना है, आप कोई भी variable लिख सकते हो. Question number 4th. You have to write down the degree for each of the polynomials. Now this one's very simple. अब तक तो आपने बहुत सारी examples देख ली हैं. For the first one, identify the degree.
Ma'am, 3.
Let me just ask somebody in the class. Ayush Jain. Ayush Jain. Jashanpreet Singh, roll number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you tell me what is the degree of the polynomial in second part? आपको वेरिएबल नजर आ रहा है इस पॉलिनोमियल में?
हाँ तो
उसकी पावर क्या है? हाईएस्ट पावर.
मैम नो नहीं आ रहा मैम मुझे ये वाला.
You're not paying attention. Where were you? आपने आंसर करने में इतना टाइम लगाया. संयम.
Yes.
Can you answer what is the degree of this polynomial, second part? That's right, Krish. Yes, your answer is right. Shivom,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer what is the degree of the polynomial here?
Ma'am, in third.
Second part.
Second, ma'am, 2.
That's right. The degree is 2. The power of the variable is 2 here, the highest power. Third part.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, 1.
1.
It is a linear polynomial.
It's a linear polynomial. Very good. Fourth part, we only have a constant here.
0.
Ma'am,
0.
And based on this, you can answer what type of polynomials these are. And that is what the next question is. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, or cubic. So this will be done after you identify what the degree is. So quickly answer. Let's go with roll number 1. Adeep, first one. Is she here? Okay. Adeep, can you answer the first one here? Question number 5, first part. Tell me what the degree is and what type of polynomial it is.
Ma'am, may I Khushi?
Khushi Rampal?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, okay, answer. Go ahead.
Ma'am, first is quadratic.
The degree is 2. It's quadratic. Second one,
Second is cubic.
it's cubic. The degree is 3.
Third is quadratic.
Yes,
Fourth is linear.
right.
Fifth is linear.
Yes.
Sixth is quadratic. Seventh is cubic.
That's right. Wonderful. Right, Sayam. बेटा लेट हो गए आंसर करने में. Again, बेटा क्लास के साथ कंफर्टेबल होना बहुत जरूरी है. Don't hesitate to answer. कुछ नहीं होता, गलत हो जाएगा. गलती फिक्स हो जाएगी. We will help you find out what the correct answer is. And you won't know your answer is correct or incorrect unless you answer. Don't wait for others to tell you. Nandan, beta, do you have a query? Okay, okay, no problem, Sayam. Yeah, he told me. Question number 4. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's write the answer, those who are doing in the notebook. So I'm just going to write down. So the first one has this expression. जिनको अभी भी नहीं पता कि डिग्री कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करनी है, आपके पास इस एक्सप्रेशन में जितनी भी टर्म्स हैं, चेक करो वेरिएबल की पावर क्या है. सबसे बड़ी पावर क्या है? x की. You have x raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 1. The maximum is 3. This is the degree. Four minus y square. This contains only one term with the variable, and for this the degree is 2. The third part, one term with the variable and the power of the variable is 1. Last one does not have any term with the variable, so the degree
0.
is 0. Question number 5th.
Quadratic, linear, again linear, quadratic, quadratic, cubic.
Okay, that completes your first exercise. Anyone with questions? Anyone who's writing down?
Ma'am, yes. I'm done.
Next, exercise 2.2. It's on page number 34. And before we do this, there is this word we will use for the exercise. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial refers to value of the variable which will make your polynomial equal to 0. I will take a couple of examples here and then I think it will be clear. All right. So this is the way we represent our polynomial. P stands for the polynomial. Bracket में हमने लिखना है कि कौन सा variable है. So polynomial in x as px is x minus 1. I've written x square minus 4, x square plus 1. I've given 3 examples here. When you want to find out zero of the polynomial, हम बात कर रहे हैं zeros की, तो हम ढूंढ रहे हैं x की वो value जिसको आप अगर अपने polynomial में यूज करो तो आंसर 0 आ जाए. x की ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू है जिसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करने पे योर सिंप्लीफाइड आंसर शुड बी इक्वल टू 0. तो जो पहली एग्जांपल मैंने यहां पे लिखी है, इज देयर एनी वैल्यू व्हिच आई कैन यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ x व्हिच विल मेक माय एक्सप्रेशन इक्वल टू 0?
Yes, ma'am.
1.
Yes, ma'am. 1.
If I take x as 1, then the value of px. Now kindly note there is something we want to keep in mind. जब मैं लिख रही हूँ x as 1, if I'm taking x as 1, this simply means that I have to replace x by 1 on both sides. दोनों sides पे, यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी. Left hand side will become p, bracket में 1 आ जाएगा. Right hand side पे ये बन जाएगा. 0 आ गया. That means जो x की वैल्यू मैंने यूज की थी, it is 0 of
for our next class.
Ma'am, yes.
all right. I'll see you all tomorrow. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.